my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about what luxury skincare products are on my wish list in 2021. So if you're interested in knowing what's on my wish list, then keep on watching. Also, you guys, I do want to let you know that I film all my videos in 4K so you guys can have really good quality. And yeah, I basically just bear all on all my videos. Like if you've been around for a while, I mean, you obviously know I'm obsessed with luxury skincare. I love Lemaire and it's insane. If you're new here, hi, I'm Morgan. I'm a luxury skincare addict. How are ya? So let's talk luxury skincare dream products and what's on my wish list. I actually stayed up last night and I just have these products ingrained in my head and I'm like, oh my God, when can I get them? Like, oh, okay. First one is the cledepeau firming serum, the firming serum Supreme. It goes for $315. I'm on the hunt for like a really good serum. Right now, I have my Lancer retinol serum and I want a serum that is good for both day and night without retinol in it, because obviously if I use retinol, it could, and if I use it too much, my skin can get too irritated and it's just not gonna be a very good everyday serum. Cledepeau serum just really captured my attention. I honestly, it probably is the packaging, I don't even know. Or it could be the fact that I just haven't tried the Cledepeau brand as much as I want to. I've tried their foaming cleanser and I've tried their oil, which I have. And both of those products were I don't really reach for them, but I feel like I owe it to my channel to try more Cledepeau products. And the packaging is insane, and I definitely am all about firming my skin right now because I'm 31 years old with combination skin and I'm really just trying to make sure my collagen is legit and I firm as much as I can. The next product on my wish list is, honestly, I can't even believe I've never bought this one yet. It is the Lemaire The Mist. It goes for $80. You guys know I'm a Lemaire addict. I love Lemaire. Love is in Lemaire in my life. The mist, I've read such really cool things about it. So it has magnetic particles that are supposed to magnetically adhere to your skin and give you this burst of moisture. Also, I've read that people use it on their skin to heal their skin, that it is just so hydrating and beautiful that it's so much more than a mist. Also, for me, why haven't I bought it? I don't know. Everyone tells me it's life-changing and that I absolutely need it. And honestly, I agree with you. I have tried the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Spritz. That was pore clogging for me and that made me oily and it just didn't agree with my skin. I don't know what it is about Tatcha products, but they just don't, I don't know if it's the rice in them or what, but it just makes my skin clogged and not good. So I have a feeling the Lemaire is gonna be out of this world. The next product on my list, okay, so this serum is kind of I'm gonna have to choose between this serum and the Cledepeau serum. It's going to be the Skin Caviar Liquid Lift Serum by La Prairie. You guys, this one goes for $690. You guys, I don't even care. I don't care. I love luxury skincare. It works the best on my skin and it makes my skin feel incredible and look incredible. And there's a reason why I only buy luxury skincare. You guys, if you've been watching my channel or if you've been following my Instagram, you guys know I am all about La Prairie right now. I'm even though the brand is super fragranced and it almost smells like perfume, the products have been working incredible on my skin. I absolutely love them and I want to definitely add more to my La Prairie collection. As a whole, the brand La Prairie has been impressing me more than Cledepeau. It's hard because Cledepeau is actually a very luxe Japanese brand. It's made by Shiseido. Also, it's marketed as French. So I'm just kind of I don't know, that just always bothers me about Cledepeau, but it is what it is. La Prairie, it's a Swiss skincare brand, so it's definitely two very different outlooks on skincare. However, my skin has been reacting best to La Prairie. The next product that is on my wish list is the La Prairie Energizing Mist for $150. I believe this is a body mist, and I have yet to smell it. I've been wanting this since Christmas. I've been researching La Prairie so much, and when I saw this mist, it's supposed to hydrate and energize your skin throughout the day. I was like reading reviews on it, and everybody is like saying how they love it more than a perfume. Now, if it smells like the actual La Prairie products, I may not like the scent and I may not buy, but I'm definitely gonna go test out the scent before I buy it. I was wanting a mist, so when you get out of the shower, I like to use body mists. And I've just been using like fragrance mists for my body from like Victoria's Secret. And I honestly was like thinking to myself the one day, I was like, I'm sure there's body mists out there that can actually benefit my skin rather than just fragrance. I found the La Prairie mist and I was like, that's perfect because it's supposed to benefit your skin also, not just fragrance it throughout your body. It's like all the body products that I use for my face and the rest of my body, I want it to be benefiting my skin. I don't want just strict fragrance. I would rather put my money into skincare benefit. The next product that's on my wish list, and I again can't believe I have yet to buy it, but it's going to be the Lemaire The Lifting and Firming Mask. The full-size version goes for $265. You guys, I ended up buying the Lemaire Revitalizing Mask, and it's like almost empty at this point in the game. And I want to try more masks, and this Lemaire one, I'm like, I feel like I gotta buy it. Like, I just have to buy it, like, because I've been buying the whole Lemaire brand, like, here, like, girl, like, this is the radiant skin tint. I just bought the powder. I have the foundation to go with it. And then I have like all the skincare products, like plants are growing out of the bottles. Like, I am just like a Lemaire junkie, and it only makes sense that I buy the lifting and firming mask. I'm really into firming because now that I'm shooting in 4K and you can see every pore on my face, every wrinkle, I'm like, oh my God, like I want to be firmer. And that's just the way it is. Guys, the only Botox I have in my face right now is not cosmetic Botox. It's actually for migraines. My forehead is injected with all Botox because I have a migraine disorder because I have fibromyalgia. So like, I'm trying to avoid needing cosmetic procedures, and I like to do that in the form of skincare because I feel like the earlier you start, the better it is for your skin. So the lifting and firming mask, I think, sounds incredible, and it also has incredible reviews, and everybody is just kind of like, this is just the type of mask you just go buy. Like, you just go buy. So I'm gonna go buy it. The last product on my list is something that I found recently, and it's been stuck on my mind. And also, I just want to say, the way I like decide if I want a product is when I can't stop thinking about it and it's kind of always stuck in my head. So now I'm more just kind of like, these are the products that are like stuck in my head. This one is by Sisley Paris, and it's their Sunlea. I'm saying it wrong, but it's spelled Sunlea SPF 50 plus. It is $300, but it protects against photo aging and it has SPF in it. Now, I did just purchase the Radiant Skin Tint by Lemaire, and then when I wasn't that crazy about it, you guys seemed like you really liked it when it was on camera, which is the great thing about 4K, because you guys can really decide for yourselves. Like, if I don't like it, that's one thing, but because I'm shooting in 4K, you guys really can say, you know what, Morgan? I do like it. I think it made your skin look great. So like, I love that about 4K. But when I was looking for a different alternative, I found the Sunlea SPF 50. I believe this one's third. And I really like that it protects against photo aging because as a content creator, I'm always in front of a camera. I always have lights going on. I always am on my phone. And I was like, wow, I wonder if I should just invest more money, return this, and get the Sisley. I don't know, you guys, what do you think? Should I return this and go for the $300 Sisley product, or should I keep this? I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about that, because I would probably have to return something to get that, like that type of product because it's $300 and I don't know if I feel comfortable investing like an additional $300 in an SPF, if that makes sense. Like I would rather just keep this. I don't know. You guys let me know the tea on what you think about that, because also my foundation has SPF 20 in it from Lemaire. So between the SPF 20, the SPF 30, I'm kind of already in check, but the Sisley has SPF 50, so I'd probably have to return the tint, right? I don't know. You guys let me know what you think and what you guys think I should do, because I honestly, I'm in the dark. You guys, that's it for my wish list for 2021 in the world of luxury skincare. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what products you are dying to buy in 2021, because that also gives me ideas and I will look into them and see if I think I should have them too, and then I can like review them for you. So let me know in the comments below. You guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. There is no price on luxury skincare and no price on self-care on my channel. I give you guys the real tea on what you think, and I try these products so you don't have to. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm super active on my story, as well as uploading skincare routines throughout the week so you guys can see what I'm up to. Love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay glowing, stay hydrated, and stay always wanting to better your skin. Love you. Bye.